Assalamualaikum guys! I'm presenting to you the one of the best delicacy of Tausug tribe. This is only can be found in Holosulu. What? And thank you to Duck Ads, Buading, magsukod pagdasin tumpong ini. My God, it's sarap. Ayan guys, ang laman ng tumpong. We call it tumpong. It is made up of flour, sugar, coconut milk, and other secret ingredients. So usually guys, niluluto yan siya, nirarap sa banana leaf. Pero this one is also applicable yung ginagamit yung bamboo calm. So, ayan guys, ang pinaka-whole features ng snacks na ito. Masarap to guys. So, we're trying to remove by topping this bamboo calm para lalabas lang mismo yung pagkain sa loob. Pero, hindi talaga pwede. Kaya, ito lang talaga ang way para makuha mo yung snacks sa loob ng bamboo calm. So, ayan, we're trying to figure out kung pwede, pero hindi talaga. So, kailangan mo i-break talaga yung whole na bamboo para makuha mo yung food sa loob. And sometimes, guys, we use the bamboo itself para maging spoon niya. So, ayan, guys, ang pagkain ng tausug. Guys, masarap talaga siya. So, bihira lang talaga to nagiging available doon sa Holosulu. You can only buy it from Holosulu. Ayan, guys, ang nasa loob niya. So, as you can see, ayan, sweet siya na maraming coconut, tapos flour, ayan. Masarap talaga siya guys, promise. Kulang ang isa pag kinain mo to. So yan, he's trying to taste the one of the best Tausug delicacy, the tumpong. Ayan guys, ang sarap niya talaga, promise. I hope you can try this one of these days, guys. Yan. Pero sa Holo lang talaga nabibili. Ewan ko sa Zamboanga, walang nagbibenta ng ganito. Ayan. Sarap. Na-feel niya talaga. Ay, nako daw. Ayan guys, so I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.